Sunshine Friends. My name is Barrett, and today we're going to use some
vegetable oil,
some vegetable oil, some hot water, some flour, and some salt.
What are we making?
So we're gonna make some homemade Play-Doh. So we're making green color.
What do we do first?
We just pour this hot water in first into this bowl, and then we put some food coloring,
vegetable oil, and you need Mama's help first.
And we're gonna put some vegetable oil in first, next. And then we're gonna use some flour and then the sugar. And then we're gonna use this. Okay.
Hold the spoon over the bowl.
And today we're gonna make some homemade Play-Doh. Next we dump into the food coloring.
4 to 6 drops.
4 to 6 drops. Now we're just gonna do this much, I think. And then,
That's okay.
And then we're gonna pour in this.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna pour in some flour. And then the sugar. And then we're gonna mix some stuff up.
Make sure that's salt.
And then we're gonna stir this up. I'm doing great, right, Mom?
You are, buddy.
Okay, whatever this stuff is, it's gross. I want it to get off my hands. Come on, get out. Come on. This stuff is pretty ridiculous. So we're just gonna mix that up. Gotta make sure all the flour and water and all the flour and the soda are gone. All the white stuff is gone. Now, just gotta mix that up. Hey guys. I want to tell you this from this video. This stir stuff is pretty crazy. And friends, I'm also funny. Yeah, just like my dad is laughing at me.
You are pretty funny. Don't eat it.
You help me stir this up a little more.
Yeah.
And today, next, we're gonna dump this, and then we're gonna mix it with our hands and make it nice and soft. Oh, it's already soft.
Hey, Barrett.
What?
Would you move the bowl out of the way? Thank you.
And then we're gonna make a green grass that is flat, like that. To mix it like that, like green grass grows all around the world. And here we go. So quiet, right?
It is quiet outside, huh?
Why is it so quiet?
Because everybody's at home.
And still asleep?
I don't know if they're asleep. Everybody gets to stay home like you and me. That's why we're making videos, so our friends can see us. Who do you miss?
All of my friends from Sunshine.
Like who?
Henry, Logan, Piper, Cassidy. That's all I miss.
And everybody else.
And I miss my best friends that I like.
You miss your teachers? I miss your teachers too.
What? You couldn't miss my friends or my teachers.
Sure I do.
No, you cannot.
Why not?
Because you can never. You can only talk to the baby.
What you making over there?
Well, you know, it's a secret. I can't tell you. It's from Star Wars, you know.
So what do you want to tell your friends before you sign off?
Well, next, you're the best. You're the best, Henry, and all of my friends from Sunshine. Now, bye-bye. Want to see my new karate chop? Whee! Yeah! Did you just see that?
Yeah.
Friends? Yep. Oh, great!
What else you got?
That's it for now.